Hi, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to share files from Google Drive with others. Whether we are collaborating on a project or sending documents to friends or colleagues, we just need to follow these simple steps. Let's get started. If we want to share photos or other files and we want to share them with teammates, classmates, or anyone else, all we have to do is right-click the file or go to the three dots menu. We click this and then click Share. A pop-up window will appear. We click Share again. Once we are here, a small window will open. For general access, we need to change this to Anyone with the link. This is important so that others can open it using the link we provide. After changing it to Anyone with the link, we copy the link and then click Done. Now we can send them the link we copied, so they can open the file on any device they use. When they open it, it will look like this. For example, let's paste the link. When they open it, it will look like this. They can open the file, download it, share it, or do whatever they need. And that's it. We have successfully shared a file from Google Drive. This way, we can work together easily and keep our files accessible to the right people.